She was laying in bed one night reading the paper, and she saw the ad in the paper, so she decided to cut it out and send my picture in. Never told me, and then I got a phone call. So when I walked in the house, she said, "You got a message." A message from who? You listen to it. And I said, "Me? Just tell me. Just listen." And it was American Standard saying, or just saying that you are going to be in a calendar shot, and you were going to be one of the 12 finalists. So I was like, wow, I guess I'm going. I'm on my way. She's probably got the carpenter at the house right now, making the doors a little wider, so when I walk through, my head fits. So, no, it's a great experience, and I'm going to tell her I had fun doing it. Sure. American Standard. On the website, look for Robert Lugo, press the button, vote for me.
Okay, good.
And make sure you vote for me.